All right, we're back. We're back. YouTube ain't gonna stop us. Appreciate the patience of the Blue Crew. See, this is why I need to be a millionaire. I need to get out of this house. I need to get out of this house. Need to get a better internet connection. Need to get a better setup. But that'll come in time with patience, of course. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Thanks to the Blue Crew. Thanks for you guys' patience. Appreciate for your support. For those who are coming back, I understand. For those who aren't, but it is what it is. Yeah, YouTube ain't gonna stop us, man. We need to get out of this house. We need a better internet connection. We need to be a millionaire already. Jealous of those who already are. But hey, jealousy's not gonna get us anywhere. Appreciate everybody and your support. Thanks to the 9 viewers who tuned back in. Thanks for the 5 likes already, guys. You guys are amazing, man. Need that Starlink. Exactly. Work until I die. I need that Starlink, man. I funked her first. How's it going, dude? Bones TEP, Squirrely Crypto, Legendary, Bird Dog, Roberto Wembley. Having a blast participating in Flare Finance Beta and their Discord. Hell yeah, my dude. Mine on order will be here mid-summer. Work until I die. Nice, dude. Yeah, I can't wait, man. I definitely need to upgrade everything. I need to get like a whole new system, a whole new setup. But that'll come in time, man. Once we hit that for your internet upgrade. Squirrely Crypto, you're awesome, my man. Thanks for the $10 donation, dude. It's going to happen soon, man. Once Akash starts going to $30, $50 per Akash, then we'll be able to get out of here, my man. Then we'll be able to get out of here. But yeah, we left off talking about Akash, and somebody was saying AKT is the place to be. Definitely excited for the future of Akash. Not that much liquidity currently right now. Only listed on a few exchanges. Just recently got listed on Gate.io. Excited to see where they're going to be going from here. And, you know, they got good connections with Coil, Interledger Protocol, Solana, Cosmos. Some of the best powerhouses in this space. At least I think so. But definitely looking forward to seeing where the future of Akash is going to take it. Actually, let's start looking at some charts, y'all. Appreciate everybody tuning back. I guess part 2 is going to be a chart stream for the most part. Oh, Arati, come here in Thailand. Hell yeah, man. Would love to go to Thailand, dude. So it looks like what we're getting here with Akash, it's like, are we getting a breakout here? Are we starting to get the identity of a new low? We need to figure out once this thing starts retracing where this is going to be going. Is it forming something like this? Or are you just going to start playing around in here, and maybe you start breaking out towards the upside? Maybe you come back down here, then you start breaking out, right? Where's the destiny lie for Akash? And hell, maybe it even starts doing like, at least we're respecting the previous resistance as support, which keeps me bullish in Akash and thinking this is a nice little buy-in opportunity around this range. You do have long-term support at around $5.68, perhaps $6, $6.23, somewhere around there. But really excited to see where this one's going to be going for sure, especially after that nice healthy breakout. Let's check out and zoom out. What's it doing on the weekly here? Yeah, on the weekly, it's not looking too bad, right? So you're going to probably come down around 650, perhaps treat previous resistance as support, and then continue the trend, man. But Akash, such a young cryptocurrency, came out in October 2020. They just launched their mainnet 2 around this time period in February, right? Or early March. So really excited to see where this one's going to be taken off. And I love the connections to Ripple through Coil and Interledger Protocol and Atom with the IBC layer, and one of the first projects to be implementing the inter blockchain connection layer through Atom. So really excited to see what those are going to be doing. I like the boring cryptos, the ones that aren't in the news as much, but you know they're just building and doing their thing, and they have like strong powerhouse ties. I dig those. So yeah, let's zoom in a little bit more. Let's go to the 4-hour chart and see what's going on here. So yeah, it looks like you're perhaps like going to be in this trend for a little bit. Maybe go like this, and then you maybe get your breakout coming for AKT. But dude, I can't wait for because their staking rewards are really tremendous, that once you start hitting around like $20 per Akash or $40 per Akash, because it has a super low supply. Remember, like 388 million total supply. So who says it can't be where Solana and Atom are at in terms of price range, right? $28, $25, $30. And who knows from there, right? Especially if there's more utility coming. Super low market cap, not even at $500 million. 323 million total market cap currently. So the future could be very, very bright right here for Akash Network. And especially for those staking rewards that are going to look tremendous for the next 2 years at least. And then once it gets closer to 2023, 2024 and 2025, the staking rewards won't be as great, but that's assuming because the price is just going to be a lot higher, right? We don't like to make assumptions in this space, but definitely I feel like Akash is a real boat, and it's just creeped into the 193 spot in the top 200. It was outside the top 200 for a bit, so I like seeing what they're building there with this project. Really bullish on Akash, as everybody in the Blue Crew can tell. It's been one that I've, like, this past year has, you know, for 2021, I think AKT has been like my crypto of 2021. Obviously, XRP is like my favorite crypto of all time, but AKT is just like, for 2021, it's one of those, might be my favorite gem discovery of 2021 for AKT. Akashic Records coin? No, it just, the word Akash means sky in Sanskrit, so it's like the Sky Network, basically. And it's funny that SIA coin is Skynet as well, and they're collaborating with SIA. But the reason they call it Akash Network is because it's a D cloud for DeFi. Here, I'll just show you the website really quick for Akash. If you're like a Blue Crew member who doesn't know about Akash, I'd recommend checking it out. Oh yeah, and I gotta say for this video, since we're in part 2, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a pro trader, and I'll never tell you guys what to do. The Unstoppable Cloud, the world's first decentralized open source cloud, the D cloud for DeFi, right? They got a product called the Super Mini coming out in Q3. Can't wait to get my hands on one of these. I wonder how long the wait list is going to be. It's probably going to be very long. But as you can see, Stefan Thomas from Coil, we realized early on that a decentralized cloud marketplace enabled by Interledger is going to be disruptive to centralized cloud platforms. By partnering with Akash, we are able to tap into their many years of experience at the cutting edge of cloud technology to bring this vision to life. So Stefan Thomas, and that's not the only time that he's talked about Akash. He's talked about Akash a few times before, and so definitely looking like it's bullish signs right there for Akash. But as you can see right here, their partners, Coil, Packet, Interledger, Solana, Cosmos, Tendermint. I try to bring up Akash to On the Chain with Chip and Jeff, because I know Chip, him and I are like we both love Coil. Like, we had the faith in Coil like from the very beginning. And once people, you know, were saying, I don't really see too much utility in Coil. Like, what's even going on with Coil? This makes me super bullish for Coil. And, you know, Coil's still such a young company. It's not even like I think it is a few years in right now. Let's see in a couple more years where Coil's at. Let's see in 3 more years, 4 more years where Coil's at, where you start having internet service providers starting to be Coil enabled, and then we'll see what's going on there. I wonder what Sika is. I want to check out what Sika is really quick. Optimizing the business of retail. Reimagining the retail healthcare market. Okay. Using a single API cloud platform. All right, I dig that. Yeah, I got to look more into Sika and what they're all about. I've so far only looked at like these top partners. I got to look at like all these partners. I did check out TRG Capital and Forble because I'm delegating through Forble. But I got to check out everybody else here, man. I'm sure they have some really awesome connections there as well. Another crypto we're keeping our eye out for because it's just been coiling up is Gala. And it looks like it's respecting, hopefully it's respecting this long-term trend, this upward trend. Let's go to the daily. Yep, looking like it's respecting the previous resistance as support and climbing up. Nice retracement from the initial impulse here, about probably around the 61.8, I would suppose, or deep retracement, respecting the support level and the long-term support trend. So it looks like we should have nowhere to go but up sometime soon for Gala. And hopefully you can hit our first target of around 6 cents, and then it should go beyond and hopefully to 5 cents, man. But Gala's just been consolidating. This one's been an interesting one to be really patient for, because since March, basically, or near the end of February, just major consolidation for Gala. It'd be nice to start seeing that pivot. We do have some good signs right here where you created a lower low, another lower low, and then you got your higher low with a higher high. Now let's continue creating those higher lows and higher highs and start going. MACD looks great. RSI looks great. So really excited to see where Gala can take us. It's just kind of tick-tocking, right? It's just a matter of time before this thing starts moving towards the upside. Don't know when, but it's been crazy consolidations. Alchemist, my man, dude. Alchemist becoming the new sugar daddy of the stream, dude. Appreciate the $20 donation, my man. Looks like you need a little top off. Appreciate you, my man. Thank you for the $20 donation. Thanks for your support, my dude. Frontier G. Yeah, Focus Pocus. Dude. I think, Focus Pocus, you know we've been following, let's see where Frontier is at, though, right now. Dragon Chain's doing its thing, guys, by the way. Yeah, Frontier looking like a pretty nice dip, actually. 100 million total supply. Part of the Solana ecosystem, which we're really bullish on, like any crypto that's just involved with Solana. You got Akash right there. Crypto, please. Looks like they started doing some blockchain service network. I like how they moved up Akash. I remember when Akash was down here. Now they moved up Akash up to the top right here, which is pretty interesting. Blockchain service network, right? Serum, Aleph.im, backing up NFTs for OpenSea and Rarible, so keep an eye out for Aleph. Anchor doing its thing, Terra, Luna, right? Oxygen, Atomic, Audius has been doing its thing and doing some good stuff. Band Protocol, right? And then look at here, Frontier, right? Frontier is a chain agnostic DeFi aggregation layer. Definitely looking good. All-time high at 779, 100 million total supply. Looks like it's been consolidating. Let's check out where Front is at right now. Appreciate you shouting this out, Focus Focus. Yeah, it's looking pretty good, man. So you got your breakout, right? Got your initial breakout there. I'm just doing candle close to candle close. I'm not going to do these crazy wicks. So right there, you started bouncing, you got the bounce, and you started creating higher lows, higher highs. Let's see where this one ends up going. Maybe you get a little bit more of a retracement, but it looks like you're testing previous resistance levels as support right now for Front. So who knows how long this thing's just going to be treading in this direction. But it looks like it's getting that nice kind of long support right here for now. Maybe you dip down to test this long-term support. I doubt it, though, because you're already getting some buying pressure right underneath here. This could just be like going sideways for a little bit and then continue towards the upside. Gonna say its targets will probably be... Gonna say the target would be around 480. You do seem to keep hitting serious resistance around the 437, 450 range. So I'm gonna say the first target would be around here. Maybe you consolidate, test the long-term support right around here. But yeah, this one's still early days. Still just did it only did one moonshot so far, as I can see, for Front, which is pretty interesting. Got to look deeper into this one. Got to do some like deep dive research on this. MACD looks good. RSI looks good. Let me see. Trending just slightly below the VWAP, which isn't too nice. You would like for it to be trending above the VWAP if you're going to get some bullish momentum coming. But we'll see where this ends up going. You do have some room to go down. You could go down to 290 and then get the bounce. That would be a nice, looks like an accumulation zone right there at around 290. And then maybe you get your bounce up towards the upside. Was there a Zoom meeting for that render right now? Oh, dude, we love R&DR. I don't know about the Zoom meeting, but yeah, Bones TEP, Akash staking rewards are amazing, dude. Especially, and they're going to have it around that range for the next 2 years. Maybe it dips down from 50% to 40, but I'm definitely excited about those rewards and just the future potential of what that blockchain is going to be. Not only will you be getting those ridiculous staking rewards, like hopefully the price starts going up a little bit higher, right, as well. Bird Dog, you've been shouting out ARRR for a good bit of time, man. You're definitely bullish on that one for and guys, you know, always respect Blue Crew members bringing out new cryptos and shouting out new cryptos. I'm not too much personally, I'm not into privacy coins. Privacy coins aren't really my thing because I don't think the future is at all going to be private. I think no matter what, unless you create your own little community and your own little silo, but the cell phones you're using, these privacy coins, will be able to track them anyway for transactions. So you would have to create your own new cell phone that is completely independent of all these other cell phones, your own connections. There's just so much you would have to do to actually be a truly private digital currency. Because with the Interledger protocol, which will be the underlayer of value for all the internet transactions, and then with ISO 20022 standard messaging, where all transactions will be funneled through ISO 20022, all transactions of any type will be traceable. So that's why I'm not too big on privacy coins, but there might be some Blue Crew members in here who are really big on privacy coins, and ARRR may seem really appealing to them. So I appreciate you bringing it up and in the Discord as well. Where can I find those PDFs you shared yesterday? Squirrely Crypto. Oh man, I think you would just have to check through the chat. I shared the links in the chat. Hopefully those links came through, my man. But yeah, I unfortunately, once I do those presentations, I just kind of like scorch earth and get rid of those windows. So it would be really hard for me to kind of like find those all again. So Squirrely Crypto, I think I'd just recommend watching the video yesterday and then looking into the chat and seeing the links being shared in the chat. And maybe you could see the URL header on them as well in the video. XRP number 1, yeah, definitely digging Gala, my dude. Lady Enigma, appreciate you and your support as always. TikTok, it's moon o'clock, you know. Thomas, what's up, dude? How you doing? Berserker, how you doing, man? Good to see Berserker in the chat. Guys, thanks for the 25 viewers and the 17 likes on the second go around. We had some technical difficulties. It is what it is. It happens every once in a while on the stream, but I appreciate the patience. Yeah, dude. I mean, I'm just holding all that Gala in the treasure chest until it migrates fully into like either Binance Smart Chain or Flare networks, so we can get really cheap fees, like basically no fees, because I'm not going to be withdrawing my Gala and paying like all these Ethereum gas fees. It's just not going to happen. And I do expect that Gala's price will appreciate over time. And guys, I was in a AMA with Work Until I Die yesterday with one of the Gala creators, and he was just saying we're so extremely early. Like there's a lot of people who have the hype ahead of the reality, and especially in crypto. But for Gala especially, you guys, it's just so damn early. So people's patience is wearing thin, but it's like, come on guys, they're a real team building real products, real games, that they have a history of building games that millions of users have played before. So it's just a matter of patience when it comes to Gala. And they're so damn early. It's just so damn early. So, you know, one of the benefits of being damn early is you can accumulate a lot of Gala before it does start getting into the 10-cent range, before it does start getting into the 20-cent range. And who knows, God willing, it would be amazing to see per Gala be $1. That would just be out of this world. Pirate Chain, I hear you, Bird Dog. No, I hear you that it's real. I hear you that it's real, but it can't just be only real. Like Monero is real, and it does gain in price. So I'm not saying you can't gain profits from Pirate Chain and Monero, But to truly be a private cryptocurrency, you need to be built on a whole different type of system that is catered to that privacy. Because if you're using, like, if you're purchasing your pirate with your cell phone or your laptop, who do you think creates all these chips for these these phones and laptops, my man? They're going to be able to trace your privacy coins. I'm sorry to say, they will be able to trace your privacy coins. But not saying they can't accumulate in price. Not saying that. I'm not saying they can't go up in price. What up, smoked too much and passed out last night? Is London ready? Miles P, you know London's ready, my dude. And guys, remember, if I bash a certain crypto, I could be totally wrong. I have missed so many boats. I have missed a tremendous amount of boats. I do have my own preferences, and that's just my own preferences. Doesn't mean it's the preferences of all the members here in the Blue Crew. Everybody's different here. I'm just the lucky guy who has a mic, right? But you guys are typing away. You guys are making your comments known. I'm acknowledging them. I definitely appreciate you guys bringing out new cryptos to the awareness of the Blue Crew. Because, hell, one of these Blue Crew members, Bird Dog, will probably get some pirate chain, without a doubt. So, appreciate you bringing the awareness for it. I'm just saying my preferences. I'm not a big privacy coin guy. That's just me, though. I think it's the illusion of privacy, personally. Yeah, XRP is going to surpass BNB probably sometime soon. I could handle $1 Gala. XRP bags, he's feeling bullish. He's going for $2. He's saying a $2 XRP is on the way. Let's see where they're at right now. Dude, Dragon Chain's doing its thing. Oh crap! I'm pretty sure Crypto Mike is getting ecstatic about meme coin right now. Guys, Dragon Chain with that Disney connection is pretty interesting because I don't know if you guys have seen that movie Raya and the Last Dragon. But tell me what you guys think. Do you guys think this dragon kind of looks like the Dragon Chain? The blue dragon? Look at this. Look at this blue dragon. And then look at Dragon Chain's logo right there. And they have strong Disney connections, right? Right? Pretty interesting. Max supply at 433. Dragon Chain can start maybe making a run for it. What was its all-time high? 520 all-time high for Dragon Chain. Ooh, that looks pretty nice, not gonna lie. Gotta definitely do some more research on Dragon Chain though to see what's up. I just know about their Disney connection. Definitely want to check out more though now. Focus. These beats are just on YouTube's audio library, my man. It's pretty dope though. Squirrely, same for me with Gala. He's like, got a good old bag of Gala. What time is it where I am? I'm at it's 11:20 a.m. over here for me, my man. Sub God, good seeing you, dude. Legendary, best chat in the space. Appreciate you, man. You're definitely OG Blue Crew member. You know what's up, man. Guys, thanks for the 32 viewers and the 18 likes. Appreciate any new subs to the channel. Shout out to the Blue Crew. Van Life Biker saying the next resistance is at 272. Lady Enigma saying 372 end of the month. I'm loving that. I got 2 turntables and a microphone. They want to know when you take a crap and what it smells like and which toilet paper. Exactly, dude. They're going to want to know every single thing, man, because they're going to want to make clones of you eventually. If you guys watch, Westworld, that's the end game right there. They just want to know, they want their artificial intelligence to know every single thing about humans so they can create artificial humans that seem so damn real to us and we won't even know that they're fake. Two different worlds, the real one and the artificial world. All right, what's another crypto we're looking at? Let's see where Solana's going. Yeah, Solana just buying momentum, buying a momentum upon buying momentum, man. It really looks like the sellers really can't do anything, and it really looks like nobody really wants to sell their Solana. What's crazy with it is you haven't been getting those, like, well, you do get some fat green candles. I'm not going to lie. You got a fat green candle from 20 up to 22, 23. But you haven't gotten those, like, ultra fat green candles for Solana. But the selling pressure in the history of Solana has just been kind of sad. Who knows when the, you know, this thing starts going towards the downside and it ultimately crashes. Like, you know, there's a bear market for everything. But Solana's just been killing it, dude. That Greg Kidd connection's been paying off very nicely. Let's see where H-bar is at. We're waiting for H-bar to pop off. Yeah, H-bar's just got to follow this trend. It's doing good. It's doing good. It's just who knows when those next fat green candles are going to be coming. And when it does start to run, it starts running big time, right? Like, we got targets for H-bar once it breaks out of here. That short-term target, probably 43 cents. But beyond that, we're talking about going possibly to like 60 cents, 70 cents for H-bar. Definitely excited to see where H-bar is going to be going from here. Looks like the selling pressure has just increased more and more, but it looks like it's maybe getting ready to pivot the corner sometime soon. And we certainly hope so, man. H-bar has been a long time coming as well. It took all of March and most of April consolidating. So we'll see where H-bar starts taking us. Just trying to find similarities of what H-bar looks like in its history, but it's kind of hard to find right now. We like looking back sometimes to see similar patterns, but really can't find any at this moment. Maybe something like this over here? I don't know. If XRP hits 589, I take Christine Lagarde out for dinner. Dude, she's going to be on some space station in Mars, man. You don't think she has some XRP, my dude? Bird dog, I only date human women. I hear you, my man. VThor is acting like an asshat. Yeah, I hear you. VThor's just chilling. Well, let's check out some VThor. Let's see what's going on with VThor. Appreciate everybody tuning in, by the way. What's up, y'all? Oh, no VeChain Thor. Come on. Okay, let's just check out that at least. Yeah, VeChain broke out. Not a bad breakout at all to start. If the daily candle can end right here, that's definitely a big bullish sign. Like no wicks, whatever, just a fat green candle for VeChain. VeChain's has been tremendous, dude. VeChain has just been utterly tremendous. Doge is going to be the first Doge to the moon. Yeah, let's check out where Doge is going. Yeah, Doge is just getting started, guys. Breaking through previous resistance. Maybe it tries to treat it as support in the short term, but it looks like this rocket is going, man. Selling pressure is barely doing anything. Oh yeah. We should have seen that coming, man. The MACD was asking for it. The RSI was asking for it. Trending highly above the VWAP. There's definitely some strong bullish momentum coming right here for Dogecoin. Maybe an announcement coming. Who knows? Maybe Coinbase listing. Who knows? This guy told me to buy Doge. I thought he was the dummy. Now I'm the dummy. I hear you, dude. Should have been stacking up on that Doge, HOT, and BTT, and nothing else. I'm just joking. I jumped in a few days ago. I didn't want to jinx myself, though. I hear you, Bones TEP. XRP Bull in the house. What's up, man? Great day to be an XRP holder. Well done. Dude, yeah, congratulations to the XRP holders, right? 192, you guys. Holy cow. Here we go. Here we go. Woo! Here we go. My God. Wow. Guys, XRP is at 192. Like, is this a dream? Wow. What news is going to be coming out? Why is it moving so fast? Guys, and this isn't even on Coinbase. It's not even on some of the major exchanges that delisted them. It's not on Celsius. It's not on... And it's appreciating this much? Just imagine when it does get relisted on those exchanges. The same XRP that got delisted from Coinbase ain't going to be the same XRP that comes back. This is unbelievable, dude. Oh, I got to bring this down. There we go. Now you can see the price. 192, you guys. Kudos to the XRP community, my man. Kudos. All right, we got some movement here for Akash. I do like that Akash sometimes follows XRP. I definitely dig that Akash follows XRP. 721 for Akash now. Let's go. Bullish times ahead, guys. Bullish times ahead indeed. TRX doing its thing. Hey, don't sleep on Digibyte. Voyager Exchange. Holy crap, man. That was at 4 cents, VGX. VGX was at 4 cents, you guys. Yeah, Flare is doing pretty good. I don't know why we don't have Flare showing up on this list. Maybe because of the IOUs. Yeah, FLR doesn't show up on CoinGecko for some reason. Subgod saying stacking them up. Hell yeah, man. Do you guys trust staking XRP? I'm going to wait. I'm paranoid of my XRP. BirdDog54, I staked for a good bit. And then now that Celsius ain't supporting it, I'm just holding it in a hardware wallet. Oh, speaking of hardware wallet stuff. Bones TEP, New Cipher is a real boat, my dude. Akash likes New Cipher. If you like AKT, you'll probably like Sia Coin and New Cipher and Handshake. Don't forget about Handshake. Dude, we got so lucky with Handshake, by the way, because the moment Flare announced a collaboration with Handshake, it was at around 40, maybe 30 cents. Now it's 75 cents for Handshake, but they have strong ties as well with AKT. So which leads me to believe that maybe, hopefully, one day AKT could be an F asset on Flare. And that would be hilarious because if it does become an F asset, it would be FACT. FAKT would be called FACT for an F asset for FAKT. But Handshake, Sia Coin. I still love Sia Coin at these prices. I think Sia Coin's definitely being slept on big time. They have strong connections with Akash. And then New Cipher, good connections with Akash as well. 606 right now. And then, what else? DVPN, Sentinel. This one's an interesting one. It's not too liquid. It's kind of hard to get, but I'm definitely bullish on it because it has good connections with Akash. You can get it on Uniswap, HitBTC, Hotbit, MXC. But appreciate that donation, my man. Thanks, Bones TEP, for the $5 bomb. New Cipher to me is a real boat. That's just my opinion, though. I do believe it's a real boat. And it's on Coinbase. I don't think Coinbase is going to mess around with too many of the scam cryptos, right? Ooh, regulation coming? All right, let's do it. XRP said the new name going to take some getting used to. XRP with the glow up. Yeah, Bones TEP, you did hear it here. You did hear it here. I bought a bag of New Cipher a couple of days ago. I thought you mentioned AKT connections before. Yep, we did. We did. You heard it right. Yeah, dude, they're legit. New Cypher's legit. They're all part of that Web3, like, alliance, you know? What were we going to look? Oh, yeah. So speaking of hardware wallets, check out what David Schwartz posted recently. Making me really want to get an Ellie Pal, to tell you the truth now. Where did he say? Where did he say? Okay, so right here. So he posted, anyone know of a hardware crypto wallet that can hold a collection of private keys for several different currencies rather than just a single word set? And I definitely know XRP Bags knows of a hardware wallet that can do that, right? So he didn't like iSafe Pal, according to David Schwartz, but he said, where did he go? Kivo Wallet, he says, Kivo Wallet, I looked at their product, it looks nice, but a bit expensive, but with some nice features that you can't find elsewhere. Biometric security and inheritance. I wish they supported ETH and ERC20 tokens and XRP, right? And then, I'm trying to find his EliPal one. He shouted out EliPal as really nice. Yeah, here we go. I just played with the EliPal a bit. I like it a lot. Air-gapped security, you use QR codes to communicate with it, and it can support multiple derivation paths in the same device using 12-word mnemonics and private keys, or even XRP XLM secrets. Like, what the heck? So we know now David Schwartz's portfolio looks something like this. Ethereum, XRP, XLM, IOTA, and what was the one that he just mentioned up here? He just mentioned another one, right? Oh yeah, ETH, ERC20 tokens and whatnot. So those four seem like we know for sure he hodls those, right? Ethereum, XRP, XLM, and IOTA. He's not too big of a fan of IOTA, but he said he holds IOTA, right? He thinks they're kind of overthinking their whole stuff, but, you know, he said he holds IOTA, so there's probably a reason he's hodling it, even though he doesn't agree with it, right? So I thought that was interesting to break up, and that he's endorsing EliPal, and he really likes it. I think he's like, yeah, I just played with the EliPal a bit. I like it a lot. Really excited about that, man. I think I want to get an EliPal, dude. What about Quant and Overledger? I like Quant and I like Overledger. I hodl some. There's something about it that since there is going to be a place for permission ledgers, and they will probably accumulate in price, but the future is ultimately permissionless. And I think Interledger is going to have a more tremendous impact than Overledger, because Interledger is going to be the value layer to the internet, right? All the banks are migrating over to this internet realm, this digital realm. So that's my only beef with Quant. I do hodl some because I like to hedge against XRP. Like, if XRP doesn't turn out to be the thing for these banks and institutions, at least hopefully maybe XLM, XDC, or Quant will be, right? Van Life Biker, thanks for sharing that news, my dude. Coinbase set to list on NASDAQ tomorrow. First Bitcoin trading platform to enter the stock markets. The cryptocurrency gold rush is set to enter Wall Street as soon as tomorrow. Here we go. With the ticker coin. Does it say what's listed on there? Coinbase is how most cryptocurrency